So we have a grand opening of the new weld shop that Southland Trailers built for our school. We're excited to kind of show you the place, how it went this year, and the finished product.
It's a little bittersweet that it's kind of grand opening and kind of we're hands off now, but it is great to see all the products and everything that the students have been able to do, the intake that they've had, the impact that it's had on the school and the community, and we couldn't be prouder about it.
It's been extremely heartwarming. So we've had over 300 different students take the program this year. And outside of those students, we have kids come to me all the time wanting to sign up for the class. It's bursting at the seams. It's been extremely popular with kids that like movement, that want an untraditional classroom setting where we're moving, we're building, and we're learning by doing. And so kids get a chance to kind of learn with their hands, to dive deep into something physically and mentally, and learn the trade.
It all kind of started when Mr. Gardner came and was looking. He had the initial idea of trying to turn this area into something usable, something feasible, a welding shop. So when he came to us, it was just an absolute yes. It was like, yeah, let's do it. Let's get industry involved. Let's get community involved. Let's help our education system. Let's help our kids, the next generation. We have skilled labor crises happening all over Canada. So just to try and get that input back in here and help with that and help the students and give them another path to be able to learn and create and go out on the world on their own and figure it out.
Yeah, so from here we're running. We're making stuff, we're building, we're getting kids trained up, and it's been just an absolute pleasure working with Southland. They've been overwhelmingly excited to work with kids, and it's been so refreshing and easy. This partnership is it's like a big brother that's always looking out for me, and you guys are certainly not hands off now. Southland's in here once a month helping our kids in the booth, showing us, keeping us to an industry standard, and making sure that we're running smoothly. So we're well cared for, and we're excited to show Lethbridge what we can do here at Churchill.
It's been fantastic, and if there's any more of these to come up, we're looking forward to helping out with it. So.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am Xavier Zareko, a student of Winston Churchill, and I'm here, I'm out here saying and talking about all the opportunity that welding shops like this bring and carry for kids all across even this school in Lethbridge. My experience has been really good actually, I built benches, I've gone to the regional skills competition and gotten my name out there and learned more about welding to create future possible jobs, which without this I wouldn't have even had the opportunity to do. So having something like this in schools really creates an amazing amount of opportunity for kids to just build a future, and build foundational skills and knowledge that is never wasted, that will forever stay with you and be useful for whatever you're doing in the future, whether that's building a family because you need a job, or say you need to fix something, There's just, it's not endless, but it's pretty close, There's a lot of things that you can do with areas like this, especially if you hone in and you pay attention to what you're doing in class and you use it as an advantage and not just as something that's leeway, These places are a really good opportunity for kids, and I think we need more of them. I've never even thought about welding or going into the trades before this, This has opened a crazy amount of opportunity and just viewpoints from not even knowing what to do. This has been eye-opening in so many ways that I can't even describe right now, It's crazy.